My name is Steve. Welcome to my shop. Now, it's been quite a week here at Shark River Machine. Anybody that has been following both my Instagram, Facebook, and or seen Shark Bits number 4, I guess it's Shark Bits number 4, will know that I just picked up a surface grinder. I've been looking for one for quite a while. I was looking for a small benchtop surface grinder, and I found a Sanford, and it was less than an hour away from home. It was in the price range that I was looking for, so I picked it up and have been working on it. There'll be a series of videos as I put it back together. You can probably see it in the background. We just got it put on the base today. My son came over and gave me a hand with it, putting it back together. So I've got to get it all cleaned up and ready for some projects. One of the holdups that I had with this microphone extension, this would be part number 2 of the microphone stand extension build. I need to cut 5/8 27 threads, and I had gotten taps for them, and I was able to cut do the internal threads. And when I went to cut the single point external threads, I realized that I was missing a gear. I needed a 54 tooth change gear in order to cut the 27 threads per inch. So I got it in. Let's get it mounted on the lathe and let's get started. In order to lighten up these adapters, I'm going to drill the centers out. I'm going to start out with a 3/8 drill and then end up drilling them out to 1/2 inch, which will greatly reduce their weight. So in order to do that, I'm going to set up the quick change tool post drill chuck adapter that I built in my last video, and I'm going to set that up in the lathe right now. In order to do that, I leave the height adjustment loose, and I've loosened the tool post in the compound. I'm going to center it up on the chuck. And tighten it up. I've got a 1/2 inch pin in it. It's tight in the chuck now. And so now my height is correct. And it's on center. I'm going to tighten up the tool post and tighten up the adapter. So I can loosen up the chuck, roll it out, and now it's centered on the chuck. And I can take my 1/2 inch guide pin out. I'm going to put my 3/8 bit in the chuck. Oil it up and start drilling. With the chuck attached to the carriage like this, I can drill the full depth of the drill bit on the same setup, whereas if I had it in the tailstock, I could only drill 1 inch at a time. Then I have to move the tailstock forward, and in order to clear the chips, I've got to loosen up the tailstock every time that I pull the drill bit out. Okay, I'm all the way through. That would have been virtually impossible for me to do with the drill mounted in the tailstock. That project was a success. Perfect. That wraps up this project. Both ends have been threaded, and I bored the center out to make them nice lightweight steel tubing. The tool post drill chuck adapter worked just great. They thread onto the base just perfect, and the other end gets the microphone adapter threaded onto it. They're all ready for a little black paint and start recording some music. Thank you for watching my video. Please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. And thank you for all my subscribers and my new subscribers. See you in the next video.